Have you noticed intimacy doesn't feel the same as it used to? Desire is slower, energy feels lower, and your body doesn't always respond the way you want. Here's the good news. One simple bedtime drink can support women's circulation, hormonal balance, and natural vitality, helping you wake up with more confidence, energy, and intimacy. For women, nighttime is the body's reset button. Hormones recalibrate, tissues repair, and circulation improves if the right conditions are there. But with stress, hormonal shifts after 35, and lighter sleep, recovery weakens. The result? Lower desire, dryness, and reduced energy for intimacy. Just 3 ingredients. Warm water, pure pomegranate juice, 2 to 4 ounces, 60 to 120 milliliters. Fresh ginger slice, 2 calorie. They create a natural boost for circulation, energy, and confidence. Pomegranate juice, packed with antioxidants that relax vessel walls, improving blood flow to intimate areas and supporting natural lubrication. Ginger stimulates nitric oxide, which helps blood vessels open, supporting sensitivity and arousal naturally. Warm water calms digestion, improves absorption, and signals your nervous system to enter rest and restore mode. Drink it 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Pair it with gentle stretching, deep breathing, or a short walk after dinner. This primes your nervous system for deep recovery, which is essential for balanced hormones and healthy desire. With consistency, women often notice more restful sleep, improved vaginal circulation and comfort, higher energy in the morning, a stronger natural return of desire. This isn't about chasing youth, it's about honoring your body and giving it small nightly support that builds confidence, vitality, and intimacy over time. Try this bedtime drink for 2 to 4 weeks and see how your mornings end. Your intimacy. Subscribe to Healthy Hub Official for more natural, science-backed routines for women's wellness and intimacy. Comment below. What's your favorite evening ritual to relax before bed?